That's gotta be it. It has to. It felt like it. Thank you, sir. Right. Yes, finally! There it is! Holy shit! Well, guys, that run that you just saw, I got my 11-second pass. 11.98 at 160 miles an hour with a 172.60 foot. All right, here we go. Second run. My first run, I really screwed up and overheated the transfer case like an idiot, but we won't do a spin this time. Here we go. That was a really good pass. We'll see. Woo. Thank you, sir. 11. Holy shit! 11.7. Holy shit! Oh, yo, that is a new personal best.
What's up, guys? I just ran my fastest pass at the track. When I got here, I dropped everything down. I wanted to get a couple passes in, and I literally ran an 11.537 at 119.97 miles an hour, pretty much 120. I'll show you guys here the slip. So my 60 full was a 172, and my eighth of a mile was a 74. That's pretty damn good. That's my fastest time ever here at any track, for that matter. So I'm really happy with that. I'm looking forward to see what else we can run today. I'm running the same times, consistent 11.6, 11.5. So I see if I can get 11.4. That's a little crazy, but if I can drop that 60 foot another 10th, I can get it. So let's go, guys. Let's get this done.